Hey Mike, here's the post-repair video of the A2Z2 computer. That's for the 93 F150. This is the one that was really bad. And you can see here, like that's the repair work after. You can't tell much because that dark green new conformal coating is pretty thick and you can't really see through it, but that was a really bad area. We did a lot of work to try to clean that up. So let's give it a little bench try here. That's the check engine light, that's the fuel pump, and that's power. And so whenever we turn it on, the check engine light should come on and the fuel pump should come on for 1 second. And it does, and it's got 5 volts on the regulator. This puts it in a code pulling mode. And here we go. So on the bench it's functional. I think we're going to be okay.